Google. Google was founded in the United States in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were graduate students at Stanford University. Their goal was to build a search engine that could organize the growing amount of information on the internet in a smarter way. Instead of simply matching keywords, Google ranked web pages based on how useful and trustworthy they appeared. That approach made search results faster and more accurate, attracting millions of users in a short time. The company reached $1 billion valuation only a few years after it was created. Google later expanded into products such as Gmail, Google Maps, Google Chrome, Android, YouTube, and cloud computing. Today, it plays a major role in how people search for information, communicate, work, and use the internet every day. Facebook. Facebook was launched in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, along with several classmates. It began as a social networking website for students at Harvard University, before gradually opening to other schools and then the general public. The platform allowed people to create profiles, connect with friends, share photos, and communicate instantly across long distances. As internet access expanded around the world, Facebook's user base grew at an extraordinary speed. It became a billion-dollar startup because millions of people made it part of their daily lives. The company later purchased Instagram and WhatsApp, creating one of the largest social media ecosystems in history. Facebook eventually changed its corporate name to Meta as it invested heavily in virtual reality and future digital technologies. Uber was founded in 2009 with a simple idea that changed urban transportation. Instead of standing on the street waiting for a taxi or calling a dispatch center, passengers could request a ride directly from a smartphone. The app automatically connected riders with nearby drivers, making transportation faster and often more convenient. Drivers also benefited by earning income with their own vehicles and flexible schedules. As smartphones became common around the world, Uber expanded rapidly into hundreds of cities. The company reached $1 billion valuation in record time and became one of the world's most famous startups. Beyond ride-sharing, Uber also entered food delivery, freight transportation, and other mobility services, proving that technology could reshape an entire industry. Airbnb began in 2008 when its founders needed extra money to pay their apartment rent. They decided to rent out air mattresses in their home to visitors attending a conference, offering both a place to sleep and breakfast. What started as a small experiment soon became a global marketplace connecting travelers with homeowners. Instead of staying only in hotels, people could book apartments, houses, cabins, and even castles in different countries. Homeowners gained a new source of income, while travelers enjoyed more affordable and unique accommodations. As more users trusted the platform, Airbnb quickly reached $1 billion valuation. Today, it has transformed the travel industry by making millions of properties available to visitors around the world. Stripe was founded in 2010 by Irish brothers Patrick and John Collison, who believed accepting online payments should be much easier. At the time, many businesses struggled with complicated banking systems and lengthy setup processes. Stripe created simple software that developers could integrate into websites with only a few lines of code. This allowed startups and large companies alike to accept payments from customers across many countries. As online shopping and digital businesses expanded, Stripe became an essential part of internet commerce. The company reached $1 billion valuation by solving a problem that affected businesses of every size. Today, its technology processes billions of dollars in transactions and supports millions of companies worldwide. ByteDance was founded in China in 2012 and focused on using artificial intelligence to recommend content people would enjoy. Its biggest success came with TikTok, a short video platform that quickly became popular across the world. Unlike many older social media platforms that mainly showed content from friends, TikTok used recommendation algorithms to introduce users to videos based on their interests. This made the experience highly engaging and encouraged people to spend more time on the platform. Creators also found it easier to reach large audiences without already having millions of followers. ByteDance's rapid global growth turned it into one of the highest valued startups in history and demonstrated the power of artificial intelligence in entertainment. OpenAI was established in 2015 with the mission of developing advanced artificial intelligence that benefits humanity. The organization spent years researching language models, robotics, and machine learning before introducing products that reached the public. Its biggest breakthrough came with ChatGPT, which allowed people to communicate with artificial intelligence using natural language. Students, professionals, businesses, and developers quickly adopted the technology for writing, learning, programming, research, and creative work. Strong demand and major investments pushed OpenAI's valuation into the tens of billions of dollars within a relatively short period. The company continues to develop more capable AI systems while influencing how people think about the future of technology. SpaceX was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk with the goal of reducing the cost of space travel and making future missions beyond Earth more achievable. In its early years, the company faced repeated rocket failures and serious financial challenges, but it continued improving its technology. Eventually, SpaceX successfully developed reusable rockets that could land safely after launch and be used again. This breakthrough dramatically reduced the cost of sending satellites and cargo into space. The company also built spacecraft that transport astronauts to the International Space Station and created the Starlink satellite network to provide internet service around the world. By combining innovation with lower launch costs, SpaceX became one of the most valuable startups ever created and helped begin a new era of commercial space exploration.